So this is what I've used for a couple years now. Just old boiled linseed oil. It's all faded trim. Nice dark trim. Faded trim. I mean, come on. There you go. Gray, black. Gray, black. Now this is going to dry. It's oil. It's putting oils back into the plastic. You know, plastic is a petroleum-based product, and as it dries out, I guess from what I understand, it kind of leaches some of that oil out. So by putting a little bit of oil back on it, you're bringing back some of the color. I don't know if that's removing maybe some of the oxidation off of the outer layer or all the technical terms of it, but boiled linseed oil. Had about 5 of these 10th gens, and they all had the gray faded plastics. And I've used this on every one of them. Now you might apply it, today's Saturday the 2nd of September. And I'll apply it again next Saturday and probably the Saturday after that. So probably 3 weekends in a row, I'll put that on there. And after that, I think it'll last about 6 months or so. And then after the rainy season in the spring, right before summer, I'll hit it again. You know, it is oil. If you put it on too heavy, it's got a little bit of a residue. It may collect dust for a few days right after you put it on. But once that soaks into that plastic, man, you're good for a while. There you go. Dry and gray, oily and black on a black bumper.